This is Noya Law School, RJ Annual Patiala, by Nama, a fifth year student. तो नमा कॉलेज शहर से कितना दूर है?
8 to 12 kilometers, but हमारे पास वो 8 सीटर वाली ऑटोज हैं, तो you can easily travel to the city.
And कॉलेज की फीस कितनी 5 साल की?
So that will be 2 to 2.5 lakh per annum.
What about the hostel arrangements at the college?
Yeah, hostel arrangements are great. We have double occupancy till our third year with an AC. And after our third year, for our fourth and fifth years, we have single rooms.
What about the mess food and what are the alternatives which you have?
The mess food is decent. You do get non-veg on some days. You have hostel canteens open till like 2 a.m. So, it's nice. And you have an option of dhaba as well as ordering food from outside.
And Nama, since you live in Patiala, a very vibrant city in Punjab, क्या कॉलेज का कोई in and out time है?
Hanji, unfortunately, college has an in time of 8 p.m. and we also have an in and out timings for the girls and boys hostel, which is till 2 o'clock at night.
And what about the junior senior interaction? क्या कॉलेज में किसी तरह की ragging है?
So junior senior interaction is extremely positive. There is absolutely no ragging at RJ Annual Patiala. And to be honest, the relation with the seniors is one of the best things.
What about the academic pressure of the college?
Academic pressure is not a lot. We have 2 exams as well as our classes are from 9:15 till about 2:45 for the fifth years and somewhere around 3:30 for like the juniors.
And what about the ADR and mooting culture of the college? Because personally, when I did a moot court, I was defeated by your college.
That is the general consensus that I keep hearing from everyone. The ADR and the mooting culture is phenomenal because of our seniors and what they've left to us. So yeah, that is one of the very good things that you're going to develop at this college, that you're either going to pick interest in ADR or at mooting.
And what about the sporting facilities of the college?
While I'm not really a sports person, but we do have Zealous, which is one of the most famous law school sports fests, as well as we have Penta League, which is our intra competition. So yeah, we do have good sporting facilities as well.
And does the college help in procuring internships?
The college definitely has a very dedicated placement cell as well as an internship cell, and they have really shown a phenomenal record. One interesting thing that I can add is that we are allowed to take exemption once for a month in every semester in our fourth and fifth years where we can intern, and that is in addition to the 3 months that we generally have.
And Nama, which is one thing which you don't like about your college?
Ragnul has had an immaculate record of producing, phenomenal judicial officers. That's great. But now the college is slowly, becoming very famous for it. And अब जो advice भी college professors and also मिलती है, that is judiciary कर लो. So that I don't think is a good thing because there are a wide range of career options. There is corporate, there's litigation, etc.
And एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपको कॉलेज कार में सबसे अच्छी लगती है?
Infrastructure and seniors. There is nothing better than infrastructure as well as the seniors of our college. You're really going to enjoy. In case you have any doubts after this reel also, please contact me. Me and Varun will definitely surely reply to you.